Alright, everybody, good evening. Welcome back to the lowest quality stream on Twitch for episode number 719 of Legends for Single Player Series. Hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Sorry for the noises.
I'm fixing my microphone.
Great_underscore grandpoggers, thanks for the follow. I
Great,
appreciate you less than 3.
great grandpoggers. It's Lexi, by the way. Okay. What a username. Bam. How you doing? Good to see you, great grand Chris Middleclaw and Ryan and Valk. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. That is the best username. Yeah. It's so funny. Pogo Demon to it. That is one of the great Twitch usernames that I didn't know that I needed to hear. Alright, so in the last episode. Why is my desk so low? Excuse me. That makes sense, because I lowered it. I'm gonna kill the Ender Dragon tomorrow? Ooh, that sounds exciting. Listen, Sonny, back in my day, I was your regular Cacodemon until I saw the Slayer die. Doom Slayer's death caused me to pog. Sure. Alright, let's play the game. In the last episode, we finished placing down all of the things. All of the dirt. The grass, I should say. So, this is sick. It's all grass. It's all desert except for 2 little patches of sparse jungle. 4th day playing Minecraft and I'm already gonna kill the Ender Dragon. I would have a word of warning. Lots of people find this game boring. And I think a majority of their boredom comes from the fact that they progress through the game too fast. Don't be afraid to go do off and do your own thing, right? And not focus on progression. I've been playing this world for 2,500 hours, and I still don't have an advancement for riding a Strider, which would take me 2 seconds to do, by the way. Right? Or something like trade with a villager from Skylimit, right? Or use a brush, right? You know, or read the power of a this would take me 10 seconds, right? But don't be afraid to play slow. Playing in a world with my friends? Okay, well if you're gonna go kill the Ender Dragon with them, then yeah. The hell is Skylimit? The world box? Yeah, it's Y320, I think. Whatever 264 or 256 plus 64 is. Okay, where's the grass? What's over here, isn't it? Ow! Oh, I needed all of the grass. Oh, that's the extra grass that I mined, that's right. So I'll just chuck it out. Alright. Thought Y500 was the skybox? Nah. It's negative 64 to 320, I think. Random recipes are just wacky, at least in Satisfactory Plus things make sense. Yeah, that's the point. It's not supposed to make sense. It's supposed to be the most random things ever. I have 1 shulker box of bamboo. I'm gonna go place this in. So we can start farming some bamboo. I need 8 cable for 1 concrete. I needed 8 cable for copper ingots. Or 7 cable for copper ingots. That's how bad it was. Self-aware in these dreams, right? Who knows? At least I didn't need coal for miners, but I didn't need coal for wire. That might be worse. I don't understand why that happens sometimes. I don't know if there's a way to prevent that. To like double placing. Come on, I can't like... Because I could do something like this. Oh, come on. Are you... Piss off! I hate rain in this game. I have no idea what you're saying, I'll be honest. Alexia, I'm clueless. I'm placing bamboo. I thought about streaming like balloons or something because it's Saturday and I don't give a crap. Just lagged? Intriguing. I just hardcore lagged. Oh, almost there. Okay, cool. I love it's raining here. But it doesn't rain anywhere else because it's the desert. I'm gonna grab the rest of my bamboo. All this bamboo. I should set up a... We should get minecarts going. Actually, now. Oh, now that we have this in, we can place the redstone torches. Actually, no, I don't want to place the redstone torches. I only want to place the redstone torches in places where they work. I need Scooble not to pitch the game of his life against the White Sox. For fantasy purposes. Good luck with that, seeing as he's, like, kind of been the best pitcher on the planet since 2023. Like... He's kind of been really good. So good luck with that. Did you really vote against Scooble for fantasy reasons? Crank, good to see you. Welcome in. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. So what's the goal of this? Bamboo. It's a bamboo crafting grid. Sorry I didn't draft him. I took Jose Ramirez instead. Okay. I can't disagree with you. I can't disagree with you. That, to me, sounds like a win-win situation. To be in a position to take one of those two players, okay. Honestly, if I don't think I realized how good he was either. I might have taken Jose Ramirez too. But yeah, this is a bamboo farm, as evidenced by the fact that I'm placing down bamboo. It's going to be a pretty big farm. Big. I just know that there's a lot more depth at pitcher than at third base. That's true. It also depends on... Right, which pitcher. You can have a pretty mid-season as a pitcher and still do pretty well. You can't really have a mid-season as a hitter and do well. Ugh. So many pitchers getting hurt. I didn't take pitchers till the 4th, 5th round. Fair enough. I'm officially going to remove this iron now. I don't know how to do baseball. You hit the ball. That's what happens. Were they happy with the start me and my friend had in the world? Nice. I'm happy you're having fun. Oh, I just realized those redstone torches weren't... Yeah, whatever. It's alright. If I'm gonna hit something, it's gonna be my opponent's jaw, not a ball. That's funny. Some days I might agree with you. Chat, would you have watched if I coded my Slay the Spire solver? When I have a base has a brewery and another wart farm and half diamond armor. Nice. Legit made my own fighting form. Time I do cage fighting in Miami. Yes, I know it's illegal. Hey, I ain't gonna rat on you. Okay, what do I do now? I have to build a flying machine. So how the hell am I gonna do this back part? Well, I have to dig... I guess we have to dig this out, right? Yeah. Alright, let's dig this out, I guess. This back layer here. I'll just go right here. Why do I need bamboo? For wood. You can make all sorts of things like chests and sticks and... just all kinds of wood from planks. Or from bamboo, I should say. Put my weak foot forward and my strong back arm to my lower back waist. Huh. Let my opponent rush me because frankly I can wait. Honestly, I enjoy the... whether it's in video games or... you know, you're outplaying your opponent in like a real-time game against AI or humans. I enjoy the style of waiting for the other person to screw up. That's how I play ping pong. I'm a pretty, I would, I would say I'm a very good casual ping pong player. Like you put me up against anyone who knows what they're doing, and I'm gonna shit myself, right? But if you just like pick an average person off the street and say, "Here's a ping pong paddle," I'm gonna beat them. And the way that I win is just letting them screw up. It's awesome. Was it a thunderstorm? I don't think so, otherwise mobs would be spawning everywhere. Don't want to rush, especially if you got the time. Right. Let your opponent miss and get weaker from the fatigue. Yeah, exactly. Bam, bam. Oh, something died there. No idea what it was. Probably a husk. Excuse me. So wanna call me? That put me in my place, kiddo. I got called a scared ass. Oh, in the ring. Put me in. Oh. Man got knocked out. Because he wasted himself, didn't he? Expunged all of his energy. Or do you mean you got knocked out? I hope you knocked him out. Punk ass motherfucker. Alright, so we've cleaned this back edge up. I just slammed his skull into the side cage. Ah! Yeah, he got it, not me. Good. So, in order for a flying machine to work... Rarely lose fights now, just duck dive, dip dive, and dodge. So I need, what, an observer, obsidian, a piece of redstone. I wonder if I could do it with just observers so I can have a solid wall and not lose out any bamboo. That's probably what I can do. I can't wait to farm spruce trees when I wake up tomorrow. Strength is only good with intelligence, and intelligence is only good with strength. I agree. That's, yeah. Right? Everything's in balance, right? If you're all good at one thing and not the other, then you just diminish the fact that you're good at anything at all. You gotta have a little bit of balance in everything. The real question is, how the hell am I gonna build flying machines? I'm gonna need so much slime. Shouldn't be a problem, actually. Let's go back home and grab supplies for flying machines. A stack of saplings and 4 stacks of logs? Yeah. Hey, some people are just naturally strong. ever meet you in Miami, I'll teach you my form. When would I ever go to Miami? Maybe not ever. Lurk, hope you're doing well. Good to see you, Senos. Welcome in. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. I am doing wonderful. Farming bamboo. It's like I have no reason to go anywhere. Miami's good. Yeah, I'm gonna go wherever, like, work take. I'm not a big vacationer. I came here for flying machine supplies, yeah. World War II Japan would hire Rudog 1 for more bamboo. Oh, you're talking about the traps? That they made? I think. Otherwise I don't get the reference. How are you doing, Stenos? Oh, you're lurking. Torture? Yeah, that's what it's... Oh, the traps was Vietnam. That's right. Yeah, the bamboo shoot torture. What a way to go. I need observers and lots of flying. Let's make some balls. I need just a little bit more. Probably one more row of these. There we go. Observe. I need sticky pistons. One stack is probably enough. I need some observers. 16. Each one is 20 blocks long. Or is it 9 blocks? I should go check out the XP bank where I built them, because I don't want to screw it up again. I don't know why I'm like sitting here. Just make some more. It's not that hard. We're missing for observers. Iron? Oh, it's not wood, it's cobblestone. Think that's the right amount? Oh, it's 6. Alright, we got enough. Excuse me, how do you have a stack of 64 shulkers? Tweak empty shulker boxes stack. It's a mod from Tweakaroo. Because I use shulker boxes so much, and I'm tired of Mojang not fixing inventory management. So, rather than having to go back and forth, I just keep shulker boxes on me. Train club in 45? Oh, that's right. 7:30. Oh, that's right. You guys are like forever angry at me, aren't you? I got scared and like threw my root beer away. Where am I going? Oh, Jesus. How'd you get up here? Oh. Yeah, that can't happen. Ow! The zombie. There, now we're safe. Safe. Coming in blazing speed. Whoosh. Alright, how did I do this? One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 10. Okay. So yesterday in Roblox, right, following. Hit with the most Jack Sparrow of jumps and moves. Getting shot at. I'm tracking. Oh, Chris, that means you're in school, doesn't it? Went the wrong way. A bullet and an explosive barrel sent me up. So I calmly walked forward into a roof. Oh, you just don't even... Yeah, you don't even... Just boosted you up to a roof and you're like, I'm up here now. Reminds me of getting launched by TNT and you're like, I'm just up here now. School starts next Monday. Yeah. Grace starts school in 2 days. It's crazy. I start school next Thursday. Thanks for the boost, kiddos. Bye. Yep, it's over. You gave me the high ground. Drop down, kill another player. Like, yep, that's how you do it. I'm out of food. That's right. Start school in a week and a half. Yeah, I start school next Thursday. I am very excited for it. Because I have like 2 really cool research projects, like 2 cool coding projects that I'm working on. One's my own thing, one's my research. Like, I'm going to be so busy. Like my research, like I don't, college I assume, yeah. I don't want to stop the Slay the Spire coding thing. Like, I want to make time for that. I have no idea what game you're talking about. Oh, it's Roblox. Duh. Decent gunsmiths or armor pieces, as well as do tech classes. Oh, for college? You're not talking about a game, you're talking about real life. Gunsmithing, yeah. Duh. When I hear a gunsmith, I think of like a place you get an upgrade. Alright, I need glass. Shoot, do I have glass with me? I don't have glass, no. I can use just slime for now. Actually, I can use any block. I don't have to use glass. I can use white concrete. Okay, so how the hell am I gonna do this? So there's gonna be a wall here. I didn't grab obsidian or trapdoors. Actually, I guess I do have some obsidian. Huh. How am I gonna do this? Give me some white concrete. So I know I made an extra shulker of that. There we go. So the flying machine has to be here. So what happens if we just put it like here? Right, because it has to be...
Fuck the turtles, I kill every turtle on Earth before I drink out of any paper straw.
Good to see you, Sharp. I agree. Don't kill the turtles. I'll drink out of a plastic straw if it means that I won't directly kill a turtle. But paper straws suck. I guess I am kind of forced to build it here, aren't I? Yeah, I am kind of forced to build it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then what? I have to go... Don't I have to do this, don't I? Oops. Oh, shoot. And then I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I do... I get something like observer? I have a schematic, I just wanted to see if I could do it without. What is this placement? Oh. What is this called? Flying machine? Flirt house level 8? Or Flirt house? What's up, man? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Yep, I did it right. Train club in 37 minutes. It's the first time you guys are... What block is this? 4453. I'm so excited. This is the first time you're meeting since what? Like July, basically? I don't remember. It was 4453, right? First time of this semester. Alright, 4453, okay. Last week of April. Oh. Wasn't I supposed to go back and get obsidian? Or did I not do that? Oh, I think I remembered that I have... Yes, I have 18 obsidian in here. I need a trapdoor. I also need a repeater. There ain't no way. I might actually... I think I might have extra repeaters. Oh, it was the spring retreat. Gotcha. Do I have any trapdoors? I think if I put a piece of obsidian here. Let me make some hopper minecarts, chat. I need chests, and I don't have chests. Okay. I need the hopper minecarts to collect the thing so I can make chests, so I can make the hopper... Look at it go, chat. Look at it go. Woo! Hell yeah. Yes, I'm running behind picking up the bamboo because I need help now. I need the bamboo to make my... Also, holy crap. We're only halfway through the farm. It takes forever. You know what's funny is I didn't even consider the fact that most of this is going to be out of... Or some of this is going to be out of random tick range. Right, because random tick range is the despawn sphere, which is a 128 block radius around you, I believe. So, let's just say that this farm will not be AFKable. Nor do I want it to be AFKable. I want it to be big because it can be big. And that was navigated perfectly, by the way. It needs to be one block... Oh, right. It needs to be one block back so it actually reaches the edge. Oh, but that means I'd have to clear this out. Or put some type of block in here. No, we could just move it one block. Oh, that's right. It's that annoying because... Oh. I think I've got a plan. I think I have a plan for this, but whatever. Alright. I now have enough bamboo. I'm gonna get a full shulker's box worth. How much do I need? A little bit more. Perfect. Now I can make chests and things. I love the fact that bamboo is now a wood source. It's amazing! Look at this. I just made 48 chests. Boom! Oh, that's... Oh, I need iron. Where'd my iron go? It's in my inventory. Make hoppers. 8 mine carts. Made 5. That actually might be enough for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 7. Chest should have the bamboo texture. I like that idea, Metal Claw. I like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it, right? Yeah, okay. Alright, now quick, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven. Oh, they stopped rendering because they're entities. Look, they just stopped rendering. That's funny. Oh, I need to stop this, that's right. I need to power it, sorry. What's crazy is I think they move really slow. Here, let me turn it up so I can see. Probably, let's just do 300. Does that work? Yeah, there we go. I think that if they're fuller, they would move faster. Look at that, I got all the bamboo. Look at that. I did it. Woo! That's awesome. Come 122, you can do the minecart zoomies. Yeah, they'll be slow as hell. Oh! Then I'll need more powered rails, but maybe by then I'll have... I really hope that's enough powered rail. I really hope it's enough, man. If it's not enough, I'm screwed. If it's not enough, I'm quitting the world. That's how it's working. I probably will, because I won't have the or I'm quitting this farm because I won't have the motivation to dig it all up. I turned every last bit of bamboo. I need a trapdoor. I need one bamboo trapdoor. Actually, thanks. I guess where does this have to go? I'm digging it all out. I don't care. This has to go. This observer has to be. Right, it just has to go one block back. So that means the observer has to face this way. The trapdoor has to go not there. I'm missing a piece of redstone. Got it. This world is too big, man. I'm gonna go like this. You know what? I'm gonna save the pieces of obsidian. It ain't moving, so... Really, a piece of obsidian needs to go... $54. Right here. Alright, let's find out if it works. I forgot the piece of redstone. Oh, it's because it's... Yeah, we're stuck to the wall. That's right. There we go. Look at it go, chat. Look at it go. Rue, big dog, how you doing? Good to see you, RC. How you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing wonderful. I got like 5 minutes before dinner. How's life been? Good. I don't know if anybody cares, but I have all of the Act 1 combats in my Slay the Spire code solver coded in. I don't know if they work correctly, but they don't break the combat system that we have working. So it's going pretty good. Oh, it's going pretty good. And we have a flying machine. We have a flying machine. How many entities are over there? Oh, like 600. Will it continue to run as you expand? Not currently because it's manually operated, but it will eventually, yes. I just really hope that the rails are enough speed, and it seems that they are. The powered rails are enough. Mind you, I don't know how much is in here. But... Oh, we're still picking up items. Okay. Oh, we didn't pick up those items, though, so... Probably a full minecart, so that's good. That's good. Yeah, the most difficult part is going to be putting in the bamboo. I gotta go collect that. Yeah, I left the... Let me put all this stuff in a shulker box here. I think I should start working on a collection system. If I'm being honest. Using that bamboo to plant the rest, yeah. Yeah. I just wanted to get a little flying machine set up. So now theoretically when I send it down it should come back. Right? I'm gonna have this be manual activation. So, you know, because I realized something, right? This is a 200 by 200 farm area. This doesn't all fit within random... Oh, it does fit within random tick range, doesn't it? Actually, it might not. I have no idea where the center of this farm is. Or 20... Right, because it's 13 chunks. It's 13 chunks. What is... 13 times 16 is 208 divided by 2 is 104. Duh, I don't know why I need a calculator for that. So that's going to be minus 104, which is going to be 4359. 4359. All right, let's go. And then minus 104 this way is going to be 327. I want to say 327. I have no idea where this is set. But I'm going to set it here. Yeah, the corners are just outside random tick range. Actually, let me look. So what is random tick range? What is the random tick range in Minecraft? It's 128 blocks, which is how many chunks? It's 8 chunks. What is... Okay. So if I do this, F3, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $16 squared plus 16 squared. Take the square root of that. Is 22.6. If I do 108 divided by that, I get 4. So I get 5 chunks? Well, that ain't right. I must be screwing something up. But I believe that this is a good indicator of random tick range. So that's pretty cool. I thought I thought it was going to be a problem, and I just realized that now. So, tells you how much thought I put into this farm. Or just winging it. I think I should plant more bamboo. Honestly, that means I should put all this junk away. There we go. Alright, let's plant more bamboo. This is the music you plant bamboo to. We're going fast. I don't care about like wasting bamboo or double planting because one single harvest and we've all made up for it, right? But I should make a storage area for my bamboo. I was doing some thinking, right? I need to harvest. Oh, I just realized the math is wrong. If I need to harvest like 400,000 bamboo. Oh no. What I need to do is I need to build like hopper minecart unloaders. You know what I mean? Where you position one hopper minecart over like 4 different shulker loaders. Oh, this is gonna get real complicated because how the hell? Honestly, maybe I might use something that Cubic Meter used. In his, like... I need to look up storage text, like... massive item storages, and so I don't just spam chests and hoppers and lag everything around here, you know? Because it could get real miserable. I thought I missed a spot. Sorry for the yawning, chat. I haven't gotten much sleep the last 2 nights. I was awoken today and I couldn't fall back to sleep yesterday. Yesterday I got like 5 hours of sleep, and then going into today I got 6, 5.5, so I'm amazed that it took me this long to start yawning. Anyways, chattering chatters of the chat room. Y'all are awesome. Keep being you. And I will be right back. I'll skip the song so you get to listen to something else. This one shouldn't be too bad. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm back, chat. Welcome back. Oof. How are we doing? I paused 16 times in the first hour. Jeez. That's impressive. Isn't this awesome? Isn't this so much fun? Placing bamboo. Woo! Let's go! Don't worry, we'll design a storage system here. Well, we'll do some math. Math on stream, everyone panic. But it'll be good math on stream, I promise. As in, I'll do it good. I'd like to figure out how many items per hour I need to handle. I don't know what that number is going to look like. All right, let's do some math. Let me open up Paint. Ah! Okay. So. Let's say that I'm going to harvest, let's say 6,000 bamboo. That's a partial symbol. That ain't a... 600,000 bamboo. Each hopper can hold 5 stacks, right? Hopper can hold, what is 64 times 5? 320. Which means if I put all of this in hoppers, I need 1,875 hoppers. However, this number is like the start, right? Hoppers can also transport items at 9,000 items per hour. Which is 2.5 items per second. Now it takes 5 minutes for shit to despawn. Also, hang on. The real simple solution is you only harvest each section at a time. That's the real simple solution. Never mind, we'll be fine. Well, in that case, instead of harvesting 600,000 bamboo. Ah! I'm sorry. We need 24. 24 times 208 times 15 is 7488 bamboo. Thereabout. You know, we'll call it 7,500. How about that? 7,500 bamboo. 7,500 divided by 320 is 23. Oh, okay. And then how long does it take to get the items out of the hopper? So 320 divided by 2.5. It takes 128 seconds, so it takes 2 minutes. So theoretically, I just have to offset every harvest by 2 minutes. We could probably handle a little bit more than that. We can play around more with it, right? How much of the farm we want to harvest at once. Although I think it would be really cool if we just giga lag our game and break it and harvest all the bamboo at once. Alright, do we have any more bamboo to place up here anyway? So the oh, you guys can't see anything. So the bamboo over here. Oh, we got bamboo. Yes, sirree, we do. I'm not exactly sure how the bamboo is gonna work, but we'll figure it out. Got me some water. Let's get this first flying machine done. How about that? At least. Oh, we're done. Okay. We're done with that. There's no reason for me to place any more right now. Okay. What should I decorate the walls with? That's the real question. Should I decorate the walls? That's the real question, is should I decorate the walls? I should figure out a sorting system, but I don't know a sorting system. I just don't know. I want to put something here, but I'm just not sure on what it is yet. Also, I need to put something here too. Do I just continue the white glass trend? I think I should continue the white glass trend. I don't have any more of that, do I? I could probably fix that. I don't have any more white glass at all? Oh, I have a little bit. Okay. How high would I need it to go? Probably here, I would say. So 5 high times 3 stacks. That's 15 stacks of glass, right? That's not bad at all, right? $15 stacks of glass. Nah. I have infinite white dye. I don't know what I'm complaining about. And I'm out. Alright, let's go make some glass. Or I should just switch games because I'm so tired. Or end stream. Oof. This is where you need Swift Sneak. You're probably right. Yeah. So I can easily place down 3 blocks of whatever block below me. Yeah, you're right. That would be a perfect application for Swift Sneak. You're 100% correct. Ender Dragon, good to see you. Welcome in. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Pause, get off your phone. Yeah, I was looking at something. How not to fall asleep. Yeah, that's simple. Get sleep. What's my favorite Minecraft updates? Oh. 122 might be an end update. So, hopefully 1.22. I enjoyed 116 a lot. 118 didn't do anything for me. Like, yes, I love the New World Generation, but I would have been fine without it. That might be a controversial opinion. Is that controversial? That's pretty controversial, isn't it? But the Nether really needed something. What did I come here for? Glass, that's right. Said I needed, what, 16 stacks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much do I have in here? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'll make 18 because that... 16 goes well. Right, 16 goes well with the dye, doesn't it? 16, there we go. My favorite Minecraft updates is adding the Ender Dragon, so what, 1.0? That's fair. .9 or beta 0.9.5? Really? That's what? That's when the Ender Dragon was added? The Ender Dragon was added to Minecraft in Season 1 of Minecraft. Story mode. No, not the fandom wiki. Screw that. History. Yeah, beta 1.9 pre-release 4. That is part of the 1.0 update, though, so we're both right. Players are unable to damage it in pre-release 4. In pre-release 5, it was set to 1 health. And then in pre-release 6, it was officially... A music... Wait! There was a music track that accompanied the Ender Dragon boss fight? Is that still a thing? Huh. What track plays with the Ender Dragon? Because I didn't know that. Tells you no when I watch has music on. Ugh. Chat, how many of you here play Overwatch? I'm debating about switching over my stream to Overwatch. I'm so tired. We have so many, or we have like 10 days. Is it 10 days? No. 13 days till Satisfactory 1.0 drops. I need it. I need it in my life. Not me, nope, not a never. What did Overwatch do to you? 17 days to 1.0, is it really? It's 3 days until the Risk of Rain 2 DLC. It's only 2 weeks and 3 days away. Oh my god, please. Check the timer in Discord. Is there a timer in Discord? It's because 6v6 coming back to Overwatch? I sure hope it is. Where's the timer? Other games channel pinned? And what server? Ah, here we go. 17 days. Yep, we got it. My server. Duh. A lot of 5v5 players mad because 6v6 coming. No, 6v6 isn't. 6v6 is better in every way. But the queue times. Screw the queue times. Play another game in queue. I'd rather wait 10 minutes to have a good game than get in instant queue and get rolled. Boom. Now you go like this, right? Oh, it's bedtime. Oh, mobs have spawned. Oh god, they're spawning everywhere. Quick Champions has queue timers that measured on a geological scale. An hour plus wait? Why? Sounds miserable. You should play Overwatch on PS5? Huh. I would not want to play Overwatch on a console, I'm sorry. I wouldn't want to play any, like, real FPS on a console. I guess I have played a third-person shooter on console before, and that's Garden Warfare 2. Does that really count, though? Bum, bum, bam, bam, down. God, Aaron Keller really killed it with that song. Not Aaron Keller. Aaron Schnab or whatever. Aaron Keller is the Overwatch lead designer or something. Alright, now our thingamajig is good. So now basically when bamboo gets chucked back here, it'll land and go down. That's okay. That was when I last played it many years ago, now it's just a cheat fest like Doom. Overwatch has had a serious cheater problem lately, but I think they just banned like 500,000 cheater accounts. They just did a massive ban wave, so. Alright, chat. What do I do now? I need to decorate this, but I need to build a storage system. I just don't know what that looks like. I'm just really tired, too. I want to code. That's what I want to do. Not a pro player is happy because this V6 coming back? Yeah, well, it's not coming back. They're gonna do a test in like 3 seasons, which is 8 months or 6 months. What do I do? I guess I play a lot of Overwatch today. Which is why I kind of want to code. Alright, chat. I'm coding and you can't stop me. This splash check is now available. I know we're only an hour and a half into stream, but screw it. I need to build a storage system, and I just don't know what I'm going to do with the storage system. Because ideally, what I want is something that can handle 600,000 items at once. Like, over the span of 5 minutes, right? So, this needs to handle 120,000 items per minute. Which, for those of you keeping track, is, what, 20,000 items? No. 2,000 items per second? Right? 120,000 divided by 60? Yeah, that's 2,000 items per minute. Which means that I would need 800 hoppers to do that. Play status with both Vanilla Plus and random recipes. I'm not putting myself through random recipes again. After 1.0, for sure. Alright, let's do VOD directory. Before I forget. We're not done with stream. Don't worry. This just might turn into I play whatever the hell I want simulator. Might code for a bit. Might do some Overwatch. I don't know. I'm just kind of down for whatever. Oop, that's not the button I want. There we go. started placing bamboo. Got up the first flying machine built. Need to decide on what the storage system is going to look like. Pretty good. Oh god, how do I... I'm stuck, chat. This is what I'm looking at. I'm stuck in presentation mode. Help me get out of it. Do I just have to Alt F4? I am stuck in presentation. Oh, here we go. View. Appearance. Exit presentation mode. Oh, thank God. Hey, now everything's big. Oh, I like that so much better. Look, it's big. You can see it. All right, let me change the title in the game. Coding. Slay the Spire Elites. And I'm actually going to put myself in the Slay the Spire category. I don't care. So these are all the enemies that I have so far. Right? All of these are Act 1 normal fights over here. I don't know if you can read it. But I like how big this is. Can I just like control my... Whoa. Oh, I'm selected on OBS. Oh, that just hides... It just hides things, right? This just subtracts this. Am I in shuffle? I am in shuffle, okay. So we need to make now a new enemy. New enemy. Which is going to be Lagavulin. Let me check that I spelled that correctly. I did spell that correctly. I've got the AI of what the monster does on my second monitor. It does two things. It attacks and it debuffs you. So I have made a new enemy, Lagavulin. Now I'm going to go grab something that has 2 moves, which I believe... Red Slaver has 2 moves, right? Oh, Red Slaver has 3 moves. Blue Slaver. Blue Slaver has 2 moves. I'm gonna copy. Okay, I need to. How do I adjust the viewing? Can I zoom out? All right, that's it. I'm googling it. How to adjust viewing size in PyCharm. View appearance. Alt-Shift-0 to increase it. Doesn't do anything. Goes back to building his wooden clock. Enjoy. Settings. Here we go. Appearance and behavior. Appearance. I got it. Code? Yeah. Settings editor. Code style. Settings editor. Tab size. No, I don't want tab size. I want appearance. Here we go. I don't know what's happening. I want to shrink. See how this it's too big. I want to zoom out, and I I don't know how to do that. I'm looking in settings. Here, this is what I see. I need to zoom out. How do I zoom out? System set. No. Editor. General. Appearance.
This doesn't help me.
Come on, Reddit, save my ass. File settings. Appearance and behavior. Appearance. There is a zoom box. Yeah, that doesn't work. Settings editor font. There's no fuck. There's. Settings. Why is this so hard? Why can I not use Control Plus? I don't understand. Why can I not Control Plus and Control Minus? I don't under. I don't get it. Why is this so complicated? Like, why? Zoom. View. Well, I guess you're just getting big code today. Yep. Mm-hmm. Control plus scroll. Nope, that didn't do anything. Control plus doesn't work. Control minus doesn't. Control minus does exactly what I want it to do, or exactly the opposite of what I want it to do. Pressing the scroll button, Control Shift doesn't do anything. Like, just fucking tell me how to zoom the fuck out. Why? Appearance? Why isn't it here? This is. Edit? No. File? Settings. I go to appearance. Appearance. Okay, let's scan every. UI options. I don't need UI options. I need fucking zoom. Anti-aliasing? Why do I need anti-aliasing in PyCharm? Ugh! Presentation mode. I'm not in presentation mode. I need zoom. How hard? Ugh! You know it's bad when Reddit doesn't help me. Then you know it's really stupid and dumb. Yeah, the font size, it just doesn't. Settings editor font. Settings editor font. is this it? That doesn't go fuck. It doesn't do anything. What do you mean? I'm stuck. It's stuck like this. File settings editor font. That didn't do anything. Am I stupid? File settings editor font. Oh, it's still 12. Restore defaults. Currently, editor font. JetBrains about 24. Why am I in 24? What is this? Why is it set here? Oh, good lord. Are you... It's the dumbest piece of garbage. Wow. Wow, PyCharm, you have lost a lot of respect for me today. I'm just trying to make Lagavulin. Okay, I'm just trying to make an enemy and slay the spire. And you have to send me on a journey to change the font size. Okay, we're just going to import a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. Lagavulin has 2 moves. It has attack and Siphon Soul. Siphon Soul, which means we need to label this. Attack. Oh, what's the probability? Oh, there's no probabilities associated with any of these. It's all deterministic. And this needs to be self dot siphon soul. Okay. That makes me really mad. I can't believe it. Its HP is 109. This is where we initialize the health. 109 to 111. And if it's Ascension 8 or above, that's 6, Lucas, it becomes 112 to 115. Oh. Actually, it has 3 things. I'm gonna do self-death-sleep. I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna say this has another attack, because technically it has 3 attacks. Lagavulin remains asleep for the first 3 turns of the combat, unless you deal damage to it, and then it will wake up. So, technically it has 3 stances in which it could be. Right, so I'm going to say that it also has... You know, self dot sleep. I'm going to pass in the Ascension modifier here. Beautiful. Alright, and this is where we initialize our stuff. I'm going to default that self dot sleep equals true when we initialize the enemy. We're going to define the choose intent function. Do that later. Define is valid intent. We're going to say return true. And we're going to define all the moves. Intent. Make sure to pass dealing with this later. Nope. Class. Siphon soul. It's an intent. I'm gonna pass. Alright, sleep. We have to define the init function. We also need an ascension, because that's what all the intent functions have, which is an integer. We have the super dot is it choose? I don't. Oh my god, why is it? Is it just this window that it's changed in? That's terrible. That's actually terrible. Whatever. What's the other intents? Oh, it's in init, right? Super dot init. We have sleep. It does no damage. It has 0 attacks. It has 0 block, and it's a 100% chance. Just do that, so that way it satisfies everything. Oh, if that's the case, then I need to move this down here. Actually, it doesn't matter, because I'm not going to be calling the super function. Why is there a comma here? Oh, I need a comma. I was like, why is it angry at me there? Alright. We need to add a listener. Lagavulin has a metallicize buff. Metallicize gives you 8 block at the start of your turn. I might add a metallicize thing here because entities and players can have metallicize. So it's plated armor, but it's different. Plated armor needs to override the take damage function. Oh, nope. It does that right now. Every time you take damage, the plated armor decrements itself. That's really smart. That's really well done. So plated armor, or I guess metallicize, needs everything but this. Literally. So I guess we're going to create a new, which is called a new buff. It's called what? Metallicize? Metallicize. Oh, it needs to be a Python file. New Python file. There we go. Metallicize. Yes. I'm going to add it to the Git repository, and then I'm going to go into plated armor. See if on the zoom for one page. It's broken on all the other ones. I imagine it's because let me see if I reload it. Yeah, I just have to reload the page. It's annoying. Whatever. Back in my day, so yeah, so copy. I copied all this, right? Yep. I'm gonna paste it in. Metallicize. We get rid of this. There we go. Goddamn. I'm so confused. I can't read that. Metallicize. Why do we have the player gaining block? This should be self. No, this should be... Huh. Enemies have plated armor. This should be like entity. Huh. Yeah. Entity.addListener, right? Yeah, this should say entity. Oh, we don't have access to the entity. When you have ridden dinosaurs and come talk to me, whippersnapper, now get. Yeah, I'm confused. Oh, I'm on display. No. This is a problem. This is a small problem. Yeah, I can't quite fix it right now because I'm not quite sure how to go about doing this. The issue the issue is that both players and enemies can have like the here, right? This is fine, right? We add the listener to entities. However, we say that the player, I guess unless the player is the one with the listener always? I think so. I think that's what it is. Let me look at entity here. Like, or sorry, a listener. Listener, self. Yeah, I wish there's not a. I don't know, maybe just like, let me try this. What did I just do? Test equals entity. And it should just be like. Oh, I should label it something else. Point of interest. Can I? Yeah, it doesn't have this doesn't have access to this. Well, how do we do the frail? What's the super call here? I guess I'm confused. What is the? It's a status? Self duration. Oh. Plated armor isn't a. Plated armor has a. Right, we have the entity here. But what is that? Right? That should say entity, but this do block doesn't have access to the entity. I could just pass it in, I think, right? If I do. Do I have access to it here? No, I don't, because I'm supposed to pass it in here. Duh. I don't know, I'll probably have to talk to Grant about that and refactor the whole thing. Anyways, metallicize should work. Yeah, okay. Status effects. Oh, this isn't a status. Metallicize isn't a status. It's a buff, though. It's a buff. Yeah, metallicize falls under here, actually. I think it does. I don't. It doesn't work normally. That's the really weird part about this. That's unfortunate. Right, metallicize at the end of your turn. Player.gain block. Oh, we treat the duration as how much block we're getting. I like that. That's actually pretty smart. Remove. Here we go. This should just say remove. Right, this should be self dot or entity dot remove. Oh, but we don't have access to it. Wait, no, we do. We should. Oh, we don't have access to it though. Well, we have to pass in some sort of entity here. Signature of method metallicize dot remove. What's the status? How do we remove? Oh, we don't have any. We have decrement, which eventually. So wait, we don't actually remove status? We're not actually removing statuses. We're just... What? So, what? We didn't actually touch this. Grant? What? We also don't have apply. Huh. Yeah, we haven't... I guess we haven't really touched debuffs. Wait, no, but it works in the card test, though. You know what? It works. It somehow works. I'm not quite sure how it works. But then how the hell are we supposed to remove this? I think I have it. I think I have to remove it in Lagavulin. Right. I have to override the take damage function. That's what I have to do. Right, for the enemy. Define take damage. Is that how we did it in we override the take damage function in splits thing. Yeah, self-dead amount. Okay, super dead take damage. Right, I obviously have to pass in an amount here. And then we have to do... I have to define a start health here, right? So... Start... health equals... self dot health. And then I do if self.health is less than unresolved attribute reference health for class blue slaver. What? Huh? Oh. Laga Vula. I was like, that's weird. Why did I do it here then? I don't care about blue slaver. I need acid slime. Oh, can I not spell? I can't spell. Self.health listener equal to okay, now I'm really dumb. Oh, I have to define it as a variable. A self variable. Duh. Self.start health. If self.health is less than self.start health, self.sleep equals false. That's all I else need to check. And then I need to do self dot metal size dot remove. Does Lagavulin ever change how much metallicize it has? Actually, it does. It does. Self dot metallicize equals 8. I need to do that after the I'll do it down here. And so then I need to add a listener. Metal equals so how do I add debuffs again? I don't remember. So that right now the player is getting block instead of the enemy, but it's fine. Supposedly it's fine. Alright chat, I'll be right back. I know like nobody cares what's happening and all that, but it's good for channel points. It's good for channel points. And I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. Valk, are you happy? Derek Scooble's not having the game of his life. I hope that makes you happy. I'm just gonna trust that player in this scenario means whoever played the damn thing. I just hope. So then, how do I add things again? How do I add week? That's right, I have to do... I need space here. Meta equals... Metallicize. Self.metallicize. And what's the other thing I need? Entity. This is going to be on the player. This is when I do... Yeah, when I have the play function, that's right. Okay, so yeah, this has to happen inside of the sleep play function. Matt B, good to see you. Welcome in. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Define play. Add class. Oh, not class metallicize. I have to import metallicize, genius. There's two L's. There we go. Just finishing work. I'm pooped. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Enemy? That should be enemy. Enemy dot metallicize player. I'm gonna set self dot add metallicize equal to false. Then we're gonna do if self dot add, sorry, if enemy dot add equals false. It doesn't like that. Expression can be simplified. Oh, that's true. If not, duh. And then we do enemy dot add listener. How's it work? I don't remember. Where's my assets line? There we go. Oh, I don't even need a listener. I don't need a listener. I should just be able to just have them italicize, right? I don't need a listener to like decrement anything. We just metalicize. Oh, there should be an extra L here. No. Metalicize is 2 L's. Sleep should be fine. I don't understand why. Like, I have all of the super. And then we set enemy dot add metalicize equals true. Cool. Attack is really easy. Define Lagavulin does 18 damage. Ascension is under 3. Self dot damage equals 18. Else self dot damage equals 20. Then we're gonna call the. Oh, I had to indent this. Super dot init. We have attack. We're dealing self dot damage amount of damage. We're attacking once, and we have a 0 probability. Cool. Siphon Soul. We have to define the init. We have an ascension, which is an integer. How goes it? Good to see you, Loop. Welcome in. Hope you have a fantastic day today. It's going. It's going. Why is this angry? Oh, it blocks for nothing. That's right. You're right. There, now that's. But I have. What's unfilled down here? It literally says parameter blocks sleep. Is my super call not working? I'm so confused. What happens if I change this to like 12? Yeah, it's dumb. I'm writing elites for Slay the Spire. I'm writing Lagavulin for Slay the Spire. I don't know if you ever played Slay the Spire, but it's pretty good. Barely. I've watched it though. It's pretty good game. So I'm just writing enemies. Siphon Soul does 0 damage. It doesn't attack at all. There, see, look, why aren't you recognized? I have a name. I have and 4 things. I don't know why it's angry at me. Maybe if I commented out and recommented back in. Nope, it's still angry. Played Monster Train and skipped Slay the Spire. In my opinion, you did it backwards, but that's because I never played Monster Train. Okay, so this one we actually have to define a play function. Define play. Do I need to call the super? I don't, but... Wait, this is the first time... No. No, am I dumb? Oh, I just defined it up here. Duh, okay. In the intent function. Yep, got it, got it. I'm dumb. After watching so much Slay the Spire and Darkened Dungeon, I didn't need to play either. That's not true. That's not true at all. Is less than... When does it go up? 18 it goes up to... Is less than 18. Self dot debuff equals 1. Else self dot debuff equals 2. Play, we're going to do player dot damage dealt modifier minus equals enemy dot debuff. Yes, that number. And player dot block modifier minus equals enemy dot debuff. Cool. So basically what this is saying is every time that you play this, you lower the player's strength and dexterity, is what we decided to call this. We should have just called it strength and dexterity, and probably a refactor might be in order, but this is a little bit more right. You have damage dealt multipliers and modifiers, right? Things like dexterity and strength are modifiers, and things like being weak and vulnerable are multipliers. I've been building my Mars base in Stationeer. It's time consuming. Huh. Never played that game before. Why is this angry? I don't understand. It says that the parameter... hello? I'm calling the intent here? How is it any different than this? Oh, I can finally use the is valid intent. No, I can't. It's a pretty great game if you can get over how the controls are different. It has programming and logic circuits. And you have to do atmospheric. Atmospherics, dealing with liquids and gases, pressures and temps. Huh. If I wanted to do that, I'd just go to a physics class. I have no idea why it's angry. All right, let's watch it fail in wonderful fashion, huh? Let's watch it fail in wonderful fashion, shall we? Test all enemies. Alright, where did we fail? Because we tried to make Lagavulin. Sleep is missing 4 positional requirements. I literally initialized it right here. I don't know. It's no different than this. I called the super. What's wrong with this? It's up here. I have it in order here. I don't. It's just like this super call just doesn't exist. Hello? Like, what? If I delete it, it's gonna be like. Oh, it's because I can't spell. Super int. There we go. I did super int instead of super init. That's why it failed, because I can't spell. Okay, run all enemies again. We failed. Okay, at least we. None type has no attribute play. That means one of my intents doesn't call super. Oh, I haven't actually written the choose intent logic. Yes, makes sense. I haven't told it how to choose its intent. Okay, so if self.number, if the number of turns is less than 1, 2, because it sleeps for its first 3 turns. So if it's less than 3, because you got to remember 0 is the first turn, right? So 0, 1, 2. Right? So technically this is turn 4. If the number of turns is less than turn 4, and self.sleep equals true, self.intent equals self.intent set self.sleep. Cool. So, oh, I could just do if self.sleep. I forget that booleans are lovely. Yeah, no, it didn't matter. It ended up just being I couldn't spell. Super.int. Why didn't it yell at me? Because I bet you int is a thing, isn't it? It is. It's an integer. Cool. Oh, I need a pattern. I have to add my pattern. Self.pattern equals self.attack self.attack self.siphon soul. Let me just check Blue Slaver. Did I not make a pattern for Blue Slaver? What enemy has a pattern? Wizard Grumman has a pattern. Oh, I do have to be more specific. Shit. Python OOP is so ugly. I don't know what OOP is. This has to be self dot intent set. Self dot attack. Object oriented programming. Listen, object oriented program is great. Fight me. Self dot intent set. Self. Why would you not use object oriented programming? Listen, the reason it's good here is because lots of things have attributes. That's the whole point of this, right? Actually, the whole point of me doing this is to learn Python. That's the whole point of this. I'd say I'm doing a pretty good job. I picked this. When did I pick this up? I picked Python up the 19th of July. After having 3 weeks of prior experience with it. Literally. Do you think that I could pass Python 101? I could probably pass Python 101. It's called CS 120 at our school. CSSC 120. It's the Python course. I always like programming. That's something I want to do for a living, but I enjoy making stuff just for fun. If you understand what's going on in all of this, yes. I would say for the stuff that I wrote, yes. The stuff that I didn't write, mostly. That's also because Grant is a graduated computer science major who, like, I do a little bit of trusting when he writes code. It's be like, I don't quite know what that means, but I trust you. But all the stuff that I'm writing, yeah, I know exactly what's happening here. Because I'm writing it. Middle claw, that's funny. I see that. Here, chat, look. Python installed successfully. Well played. Now, what's funny is most of my understanding is coming from just looking off of what we did before, because sometimes I forget what's supposed to be happening. I just use Conda these days. I've never heard it. Actually, that's not true. I've heard of it. I have no idea what it is. Okay, so I have to do self dot intent set self dot siphon soul. Okay, so that's our pattern. Self dot pattern index is 0. Not 1, because it's a list, so it starts at 0 for some stupid reason. Operating system agnostic, system level binary package, and environment manager for Python. Just makes my dev life easier. Well, that sounds way more complicated. Okay. So if sleep is not true, the whole being stunned thing doesn't matter, because it's not actually stunned. That's not an intent, that's just a visual thing. I'm just trying to think about game mechanics here. Else if... I guess this is just an else. self dot intent equals self dot intent set equals, hang on, this is self dot pattern. Self dot pattern index. If self dot pattern index is greater than or equal to the length of self dot pattern, self dot pattern index equals 0. And then we do this, and then we do self dot pattern index plus equals 1. Cool. These days I do most of my programming in Linux, even if I'm on a Windows machine. Loop's one of those like deep dive hardcore programmers. It has Linux. Meanwhile, I still use Google Chrome. Raw. If you have one artifact charged when Siphon Soul is used, it will block the dexterity debuff. Oh, I should make sure that I code that first. That's something that is probably... I just have to do a lot of server stuff. See, my server is my computer. I guess that's what you mean by that, right? Alright, so we have an intent function. Is this exactly the same way that I wrote it? In, what enemy has a pattern? Looter. Nope, Looter doesn't have a pattern. Wizard Gremlin has a pattern. I set it equal to 0. Yes. Yep. Okay. Alright, let's see if Lagavulin works. Lagavulin, of course, does not work. Lagavulin has no attribute self.sleep. Oh, it's because this... Ah, for fuck's sake. Lagavulin has no attribute health. Oh, it's... it's because some things belong before the init function, and some things belong after the init function. I love that. Because you can't assign health if you don't know what your health is. Yep. Alright, what do we fail this time? Lagavulin has no attribute intense... Oh my god, it's because I moved the pad... Wait, what? Oh, it's... Wait, why did I put it above the intent set? I think the only thing that has to go above the intent set is... self-sleep. Because I'm checking intents here. Lagavulin has no attribute debuff. Okay. Oh. Self.sleep, self.sleep, self.sleep. Where? Oh, the uppercase and the... Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's self.sleep variable, self.sleep intent, and self.sleep a constant here, so I can just call this. It's like an enum, but not, because for some reason enum kind of broke. So yeah, there's sleep, sleep, and sleep. Yeah, I love that. This is a check whether or not it's sleeping. This is to define the intent sleep, and this just makes it easier to tell it what intent to do. It's just I know what you mean. It's funny that all of it there's 3 different sleeps. Uh-oh. I broke it. Fuck. Oops. What did I do? I bet you line 101 broke? Oh, and main.py. Whoa. Is this like the main? This is what Python runs every time you click run anything? This is so beyond me. Main equals test program. Oh, never mind. Okay, I bet you it's because what would break? Well, this didn't break. Oh! No. I was thinking maybe we debuffed the play. We should have just killed the player, I'll be honest. We shouldn't even debuff them. I know they have 69 HP. So it has to do with the debuff. It has to do with... Actually, I don't know. I'm not quite sure what breaks. Let's put a breakpoint somewhere. How about choosing an intent? Okay, the test hasn't broken yet. Let's just see. Our intent is none. What is self.sleep? Self.sleep is true. And the number of turns is 0, so we should be sleeping. Our intent is to attack. Not quite sure on that one, Chief. Oh, I know why. It's because we have to order the probabilities from lowest to highest. Sleep has 100% probability. Duh. Stupid sorting things. These both have 0, so it doesn't matter. No, it should be 2. It should be 1. If you put this project down for 6 months and came back to it, how easy do you think it'd be to get back into it? I put this project down for 2 weeks and forgot a whole bunch of stuff. I took a 2-week break, effectively. So, and I'm back into it now after probably 6 hours of work. Didn't take me that long. Although, I'm going to be honest, most of my issues were syntax things. So, like, I didn't write a lot of the main machinery. I'll be honest. Like, the whole combat system and stuff, like, was written before I even had an idea of what methods really were and what classes really were. Like, Grant wrote a lot of the main machinery first before we started writing cards and stuff. So, like, this whole combat, like, here, combat.py, like, I couldn't even follow this when I started out. Like, I didn't know what an init was when we started out here. Chris, good to see you. Welcome in. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. No more races, Jay? No. It's okay though. You get this one though. So, like, defining, like, we have begin combats here and get the total enemy health, right? And understanding all of this. Like, I didn't know what was happening when Grant wrote this. So, I don't know, right? If this were a solo project, I wouldn't have even, like, I couldn't do this. Because I haven't had enough experience with stuff like this. Like, the way that Grant goes about solving bugs and tweaking things, it's like, oh, I never would have thought of that in a million years. That's because he's been doing this since he was, like, in 8th grade, right? Before that. I don't know when Grant started coding. But certainly more than the 5 weeks that I've been dealing with Python, right? Hey, we passed all the tests. Look at that. Lagavulin works. I don't think Metallicize is working properly. But it didn't. This is what I mean when it doesn't break the combat system. It doesn't break the combat system. Therefore, it's okay. Like, eventually we're gonna, players are gonna go through and they're gonna fight. We're gonna, like, set up combats with every enemy eventually. We're probably not gonna write a test, but we're gonna step through each keep track of all the health and stuff for each enemy. And I'll probably, since I have almost 500 hours in the game, I'll probably catch things that shouldn't be happening in the code. Like, oh, you took damage when you shouldn't have taken, or you dealt damage when you shouldn't have dealt damage. When Lagavulin is sleeping, it shouldn't deal damage, and then we'll go, oh, and then we go fix that, right? But it doesn't break the combat system that I didn't write, so I'm happy. All right, now let's make Gremlin Knob. Gremlin Knob. Gremlin Norb, let's go. Everybody's living in dreamland. Dreamland, all that we know. Alright, we have 3 moves from Gremlin Knob here. Gremlin Knob bellows, rushes, and skull bashes. I wish I could, like... I probably could, you know. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's perfect! Maybe I could, if I... Is it Alt that does it? Yeah. Crop it a little bit and... Like, chuck that up there, right? That's crazy that it... be extended down a little bit. You guys can see that, yeah. I can't believe... So that's what Gremlin Knob does. And then if I scroll down, you can see the pattern. Kind of. Because... Oh, that's not what I want. I did shift. Oh, I don't want that side. There we go. Sorry, I guess chat is gonna get covered, kind of. Here, I can move the chat on top of the Chrome. Yeah, there you go. Chat's still up? Yep, there we go. So if you guys want to, like, stop each other from... Okay, let's write... Let me just copy Lagavulin. I don't need this. This wasteland ain't home. Let me just do this. Don't need metallicizing and things. Gremlin Knob does what? We bellow, rush, and skull bash. Bellow has a 0 probability, and then skull bash and rush. Okay, so... Skull bash. And we've got rush here. Right, because rush has the highest % chance. Okay. And then bellow has 0. Cool. So we're gonna do bellow, skull bash, and rush. The order doesn't matter here. It only matters here, apparently. According to Grant, because Grant's sorting... He's sorting the things by probability, so something that I don't really quite understand yet. My dad sent me a tweet. It's quite annoying when I don't have Twitter. Alright, Gremlin Knob is not 109 health. Gremlin Knob has 80 to 86 health. Or 82 to 86 health. And then it's 85 to 90. God, facing 90 HP Gremlin Knobs is a pain in the ass. Cool. Alright, so we're going to choose intent, don't care. Is valid intent. Return true. Class. Bellow. Define an init. We're going to pass an ascension. Self dot in rage equal if ascension is less than 18, self dot enrage equals 2. Yeah, 2. Else self dot enrage equals 3. Super dot init. We have a bellow. Capitalize the name. We're doing 0 damage. We're not attacking. We have 0 block, and we have a 0 probability. However, when we play, bellow says gain 2 and 3 of rage, and enrage is whenever you play a skill. Oh, this is the play. Whenever the player plays a skill, you gain strength. So when we play this, I actually don't care about the super. Did I not? Oh. I was like, am I blind? Yeah, I am kind of blind. Self dot listener equals listener dot event dot skill played, and then we do self dot gain strength. Enemy dot add listener. Self dot listener. Yeah, I think so. I actually don't think it matters. Instance attributed to bellow. I guess I'll make it an. It doesn't matter. I don't think it really matters. Unresolved. Oh. There. So then I have to. Do I do this here? I'm gonna do this here. Gain strength. Yeah, I just need a self. I know I need a self. I need a player. Oh, what did we refactored the damn list? Where's listeners? Where are my listeners? I don't know where they are. What are listeners under? Actions? Oh, it's up here. Player, enemies, debug. Like this listener thing that Grant wrote, I didn't know what it was, like how it all worked at the time, but it's really smart. Like I'm definitely ripping this notify thing if I ever have to build a game or something. Like I'm gonna make a listener. You know, like like defining adding things to a list, which is down here. You know, an event. It's pretty cool. Enjoy it a lot. What was I looking for? That's right. If we give it a turn, we go it down. Other if it's 0 turns, we remove it. Ah, that's it. That's how we're automatically doing the removal of statuses. Oh, I was like, wait, we're not. You didn't define an on listen. We define that in each thing, right? Okay, this makes sense because we say what it is. It's a listener, you know, a card turn, and then it's a what happens whenever. And then we notify. We do the thing. Okay, this is so smart. I'm getting it. I'm getting how this code works. Player, enemy, enemies. Jesus. Enemies debug. Gain strength. Enemy dot damage dealt modifier plus equals enemy dot oh, it does matter. Right, this should go to Gremlin Knob. Enrage should go on Gremlin Knob. Right, we add the listener, and then every time we play a skill, Gremlin Knob buffs his strength by the enrage amount. Okay. Class rush. This is the easy one. Rush just deals damage. So is it using observer pattern? I didn't read enough of it to follow it well. The listener. Sorry, I just looked at chat. I'll show you listener. So this is what listener is. So it's just an event type, and then it does something, right? So when we notify it, whenever we notify a listener, we do the thing. So in various places, you know, say in player, where's player? Should be in entities. Player. Right? In player, we play a card, right? If card is attack, we notify that we played an attack. And then the listeners does thing. If it's a skill, we notify that it's a skill. Right? I'm just like, why is it notify underscore listeners when in the listener command or when the listener class it's just notify? Am I crazy? Like what? I'm just probably just not following something. But like why is it? Oh, is it because there's notify listeners some here? Yeah, no, I'm not. I don't. That's what I don't get. I'm missing something. Obviously. Why is it notify listeners? Right, and there's also like a hand changed thing, and a retain trigger. I guess I can control click it. Notify listeners. Oh, here it is. It's an entity. That's right. Here it is. Here it is. There it is. I'm stupid. Yep. Because it's an entity, we notify listeners, and then it's just an extra checks. I don't know why. Because yeah, I don't think we need that anymore. Oh well, learn something new every day. All right, Gumlin Norb, what do you got? Fine in it. JB, good to see you. Welcome in. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Hope we're doing well. Is it super? I already don't remember the syntax for this. Oh, it's parentheses. Oh, it's the right word. Yep, got it. So I was like, what do I do next? I completely blanked. Now we call the super. This is rush. Self.damage. Attacks once. No block. Probability is... I don't know. Well, oh, it's Chrome. What's the probability? 67%? If Ascension is less than 3, self.damage equals 14. Else, self.damage equals 16. Look at that. Yippee. And it feels like my blood sugar is in the toilet. I don't know why. It's not in the toilet. I just. Class. Skull Bash. Which is an intent. Ascension. If Ascension equals or is less than 3, self dot damage equals 6. Else self dot damage equals 8. Me at your blood sugar. I don't know why it's angry. Okay, so now we need a super call. Super dot init skull bash. Whoops. It does self dot damage amounts of damage. It attacks once. It has no block, and it is a 33% chance. However, it does do something else where it adds a vulnerable, which is 2. Vuln equals vulnerable, which is always 2. Let me import the class, which is 2, and it's on the player. Player, I'm gonna do this in all one. Player to add listener. Listener. Listener dot event dot start turn. And we're going to vuln dot decrement. I think that does it. Chris, good to see you. We should have done, or welcome back. We should have done early. Nice. Oh, this doesn't need an object. I don't know why it does an object already. I think that's right. Let me go check Red Slaver, because that's another vulnerable enemy. What did I change in Blue Slaver? Oh. There. What did I change? I didn't break it, so whatever. It's the best. You got to run my brand new Southern 2601. It's the best engine at the train at the whole club. Not bias. Not at all. Not at all. Yeah. Yeah. It's always going to be 2. Where do I set the week? Oh, here, yeah, it's whatever. Okay, now we just have to. Why is it angry here? Gain method might be static. Oh, because why? There's nothing that modifies it. Yeah, whatever. Let's make it choose an intent. If self dot number of turns equals 0, self dot intent equals self dot intent set self dot bellow raw. Oh, that's why. That's what this. Right. That's why you do self, and then the other one is something else. Dot decrement. Oh, we decrement this. Oh, the more I learn, the more I understand what each code is actually doing, not just regurgitating it because I know what works. The ever process of when someone else works on your code, you just go, "Oh yeah, what you did works. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna understand why after I get through 8 different cards that, or 18 different things that call it. You finally understand why." Boom, boom, boom. All right, where was I? If it's the first turn, do bellow. I need a pattern. Self dot do pattern equals it only, what ascension does it not do the pattern at? 18. Okay, so we're gonna set it to true. If ascension is less than 18, else, and then we're gonna do self dot do pattern equals false here. No, it's the other way around. It's not going to do, it only does the pattern if it's above Ascension 18. If it's 18 and above. So, alright. That's if statement. If self dot num turns is greater than 0 and self dot intent equals... I'm going to write it for the patterns off right now. So if I scroll down here, right, you see that it cannot use rush 3 times in a row. Wait, but there's no cap of using Skull Bash a whole bunch of times. Interesting. Is that really true? So there's no cap on Skull Bash. Interesting. So if the self is self.intent set rush and self.num consecutive equals 3, self.intent equals self.intent set self.skullbash. Cool. Oh, and self.do pattern equals false. Oh, and not. There we go. Cool. Time to lurk. I'll check out the VOD. 20 hours awake now. Time for a pre-work nap. If you're getting something out, if you're enjoying this loop, I'm impressive. You're probably the only one. I am? Really? That's... Well, my brain is becoming mush. Yeah, 20 hours awake does that. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll say hi to the VOD watching loophole in 10 minutes. enjoy the nap. Actually, I'll probably end stream in 15 minutes anyway. As soon as we get Gremlin not working, I'll end stream. How about that? Take care, Loop. That sounds like a good compromise. Okay, so if it's greater than turn 1, if the intent is rush, and we've already done it 3 times, and we're not doing a pattern, the intent is Skull Bash. I guess... No, this is just if statements that we should check every time. I guess this could be an else if. Okay, so now we get to do what happens if the pattern is true. So if I copy all of this, and I do and self.pattern, I need to make a pattern. So if the ascension is 18 or above, we are doing the pattern. I will define a pattern index. 0. Self.pattern equals. What's the pattern it says? Uses Skull Bash, rush. That's right. Skull Bash, rush. Self.intent set self.skull bash. Self.intent set self.rush. Copy. Paste. If self.pattern index is greater than or equal to the length of self.pattern self.patternIndex equals 0. Otherwise, self.intent equals self.pattern index. Else super dot choose intent. Okay. Does Gremlin Knob run? No way, this is Gremlin Knob. Okay. There is still a god. Combat Sim entities Gremlin Knob has no attribute Gremlin Knob. That's because this is still technically Lagavulin. Gremlin Knob. Okay. Yep. I forgot to change the name of the class. Oh my god, it worked. Let's go. I want to cry. We got Gremlin Knob on the first try. Well, second try. Seeing as the fact that this was still technically Lagavulin. Well, what just happened? What did I just do? I just broke everything. Hell yeah. We have Gremlin Knob working. Let's go. Let's go, dude. That. Wow. Does it line up with the pattern? Who knows if this worked? I don't. I'm pretty sure the player doesn't have a deck with a skill on it. What did we make our player deck? Oh no. No, it does work. Yeah, we're playing Strikes and Defense. It's this Watcher starter deck. Oh, Gremlin Knob 100% killed the Watcher every single time. Is it possible to beat Gremlin Knob with the Watcher starter deck? I gotta find out. By randomly, is it possible to beat Gremlin Knob with no potions and the Watcher starter deck? On Ascension 20. On Ascension 20, I should say. Right. Because they're definitely... There's 100... Actually, we could test that on Ascension 0, I guess. See, I should be able to whip that up pretty quick, maybe. Oh no, this is... Well, hang on, let me just yoink the code for enemy tests. Yeah, that would be too much of a pain in the ass to figure it out. Do we have a combat? I guess maybe it wouldn't be that bad. Here. Good. Oh, I'd have to do it here. Yeah, I don't feel like doing that. Cool. Let me commit here. What did I change in entity? Oh, I got rid of the to do. Okay. Yeah. Metallicized, Lagavulin, Gremlin Knob. Gremlin Knob. And Lagavulin. Complete. Hopefully. Nice. Let's go, chat. We did it. Woo!
Yippee!
I can't believe it. Alright, you got an hour and a half of Minecraft from me and 2 hours of coding, I guess. That was a lot of fun. I guess Slay the Spire. I had pretty fun. I had pretty fun. Yeah. Next up, coding Minecraft mod. Pfft, no. There's no way. No way I could do that now.
Unlurking from the back rooms, Monkey Flip.
Good to see you, Sharp. We're ending. But yeah, I'm not coding Minecraft mods anytime soon. Alright, chat. That's gonna do it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. 7K, you got this, Middle Claw, I believe. Y'all are awesome. Keep being you. Wait, I'm waiting. I'm holding. More points for GGGT. There, you happy? There you go. Y'all are awesome. Keep being you. And hopefully I will see you right back here tomorrow night for some storage system designing. Or more coding. I don't know. I've been having a blast. We'll see. 1 mil to start an next stream then? Hell yeah. Alright. We'll see you later, chat. Bye.